Hey Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Celia Kalio, and if you're a returning subscriber, I'm so grateful that you came back. So in my last video, I promised to share a pro mixing recipe with you, and here today I'm going to be showing you how to make a skin whitening cream with the base that we made last video. Okay guys, so in my last video I showed you how to make a simple moisturizer, a face moisturizer that you can use as a daytime cream, or you can use it to pro mix a skin whitening cream, an acne cream, or whatever cream you want to create. But before we jump right into the video, I want to announce something. So on the 30th of this month, June, we are going to have a base cream, a corrective base cream tutorial. This training has been influenced by those people that have been complaining that some of their products turn brown and then it makes them dark instead of making them light, especially when they're making skin lightening products. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be explaining why your products go dark, and also I'm going to be teaching you how you can make a corrective and effective base that is safe and can be used for any kind of pro mixing, even if you're using oxidative ingredients that are sensitive to light, heat, or air. Now, most of your serums that you use for pro mixing contains hydroquinone or some kind of phenol. Now, this can cause oxidation for your products, which in turn makes it go brown, and at the end of the day gives your customers the adverse result. Instead of making them light, it makes them dark. That's because the hydroquinone has changed into something else that is causing the oxidation. So if you want to learn how to make corrective and very stable base cream that you can use to pro mix your skin whitening products and any other products that you want without oxidation, and it will give your customers the result and effectiveness that they want, then this training is for you. This training is 10,000 naira for the first 20%, and we are down about 6 or so. So if you would like to join this training, rush now to join for 10,000 naira only, and the regular fee is 13,000. So if you're among the first 20 people who pay, you're going to be paying 10,000 naira. So yeah, if you like to join this training, click the link down below in the description bar to join, and you'll be added to a group. This training is going to take place on the 30th of June. So in addition to the base, I'm also going to be showing you ingredients that you can combine to with hydroquinone to get a yellow tone or a whitish white tone. And also I'm going to be showing you how you can properly and effectively use hydroquinone without getting any side effects, without getting any dark knuckles and all of that. I'm going to be showing you how you can also dissolve your hydroquinone properly to incorporate it in your products. So all of these you're going to be learning on the 30th. If you're interested, kindly send the WhatsApp message using the link down below, and you will be paying 10,000 naira if you are among the first 20 persons, and the rest will pay 13,000. It can be very expensive to buy base creams, so this training is going to benefit you a whole lot if you are into skin lightening products and you have a clientele that is complaining that your products don't work. This training is going to be a very, very beneficial training for you. All right, so without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. Now, if you haven't seen the making of this base, click this link here to watch that video so that you can make your base and then come back to learn how to pro mix it. Now, this is what we have. It's very thick and it's easy to pro mix because it will stay as solid as it is. Look at it in the container. This is how thick it is. Very, 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 very solid. It's thick, but it's not greasy. It's not greasy at all. This product doesn't give you any greasiness at all, but it gives you a beautiful hydration and moisturizes your skin. So we are going to use a few serums that I'm going to show you now. If you're going to be working with over-the-counter serums, please make sure you are not using more than 5% for your face. If you're making a face cream, make sure you're not using more than 5%. If you're making a body cream, you can use up to 10%. So in this video, I'm going to show you a few ingredients that I got, and I used I'm going to list the percentage in the description bar, or the measurements in the description bar, so you can see. I think I have talked enough in this video, so I'm just going to leave you to watch, and make sure you check the description for all the ingredients and their measurements that I use. And trust me, this product will give you results in as little as 5 days. No cap at all. But you have to learn how to make proper base that will accommodate this cream and make it last long on your shelf, especially if you're making products to keep over the counter or on your shelf to resell. So yeah, I'm just going to leave you guys to watch, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I was yours, you were mine, but it's time to say goodbye.
Didn't know that the honeymoon's just a phase. Now I understand, I learned it firsthand with you. Thought it would last forever. You should have loved me better, should have loved me better, 'cause we might still be together. Before we split up, always believed we would never. Till the aftermoon, till the aftermoon. That was when the moon started to become moon. So I surrendered, 'cause I couldn't see things getting better. No, in the aftermoon, in the aftermoon. Did what I could do, now you're in my review. Yeah, hasn't always been this wrong or this bad. But after some time, I realized you and I were in the match. You should have loved me better, should have loved me better, 'cause we might still be together. Before we split up, always believed we would never. Till the aftermoon, till the aftermoon. That was when the moon started to become moon.